I'm currently involved in many government policy makings. I'm a president of Financial System Council under Prime Minister Abe, and also I'm a chairperson of Japanese government bond investment at Ministry of Finance. And I'm also a chairperson of asset management of pension funds. I'm trying to change our Japanese economy from the structure rather than focusing on only monetary or fiscal policy. As we have examined that euro has somewhat problems in these recent years, but Asia has different exchange rate systems in different countries. What is important in Asian region will be to focus on basket type of currency system in the region, and each currency should have some pegged to the euro dollar, yen, and some other currencies, and to put those weights into the optimal value. Those are the first step to coordinate exchange rate systems in Asian region. At the same time, in Asia, we need circulate our currencies and money within Asia. Asia is very famous for high rate of savings. However, most of this money has been flown into euro or US area in terms of deposit and bond market. I think we have to circulate our Asian savings within Asian region. In order to do so, we need to develop bond market and liquid capital market. The second topic is how to promote new growth money under Prime Minister Abe's initiative. Abenomics has three sets of policies. The first one is monetary policy, and second one is consolidation of fiscal budget, and third one is growth strategy. I would like to discuss growth strategy in more detail today. There are many small and medium-sized enterprises, SME, in Asian region. And SME is the engine of growth in Asian region. But they have difficulty to raise money, especially sometimes they are difficult to borrow money from banks. Or new startups companies are also difficult to raise money. In Western countries such as US or UK, venture capital market has grown very rapidly. But Asian region is somewhat different. Capital market is much thinner compared to Western countries. And in Japan, we have started hometown investment trust funds. The many people in the region provide money to agricultural sectors, or small farmers, or new venture businesses. Those hometown investment trust funds are now applicable to wind power generator and solar power generators. Those funds are collected by hometown individuals, and they invest small amount of money to those new projects. And these kind of hometown investment trust funds can be applicable to Asian region, and which could promote higher growth in the region. And the last topic is fiscal budget deficits. And Japan is the highest indebted country in the world. But we are sustained and we are still keeping our budget deficits in calm order. The largest reason why Japanese bond market and government bond market is so stable is most of these government debt are held by domestic investors. Japan used to have a very high savings ratio, and that has been deposited into banks and insurance companies. And these insurance companies and banks are holding Japanese government bonds. That is why Japanese bond market is still sustained. However, Japan had been facing with aging population, and old people require lots of money after their retirement. And also we have allocated central bank money to rural region. So those are the two biggest expenditures of Japanese government. In order to make our budget deficits much smaller, we have to cope with social welfare to elderly people. And one of the solutions will be ask old people to work as long as they can. However, their wage rate should not be based on seniority wage rate, but it should be based on market rate. That is one of the solutions to postpone retirement age and to reduce social welfare to elderly people and pension benefits. And second one is from central government to local government allocations. That is a topic I have discussed in my second point. And people in the region will provide so-called growth money to the region, agriculture sectors and new businesses, rather than relying on central government money. Those could be reduce our budget deficits. So those are my three topics in what is under my recent research. Thank you very much.